YouTube Lillian's here. This evening, well, I tried to film. First of all, I apologize for not putting a video in a while. Well, life has gotten the best out of me, and yeah, I don't have any more excuses apart from that. So I tried to do a video, like a Sunday chilling at home video. So basically I was trying to film myself cooking, doing 2 meals in the kitchen and preparing for the week. Well, doing 2 meals in the kitchen and 2 African Cameroonian meals. Well, African meals, let's put it that way. So, but I would incorporate a couple of pictures of the final product. Yes, I wanted to actually cook ndole and share my own version of ndole, but it didn't go down really well. The filming wasn't great. Never mind. And also the second bit was that I am behind with my Birchbox, guys. I did the January haul. Oh, yeah. Let me present you to my lovely daughter Carmen here. She decided to be on the video with me, so
yay. Yeah,
this is Carmen.
Mommy, but the way you said ndole, it's ndole.
Yeah, it's ndole.
But you say ndole.
Well, okay, with the Cameroonian accent you say ndole.
Ndole.
Ndole. Ndole.
Ndole.
Yes. So yes, she participated in the speech and drama festival today,
and
she came
third. I was hoping to come first, but they just, you know.
Yeah. So because we are long overdue with this February Birchbox, so this is the box. I've just opened it. It says let love grow. So that's the packaging, and this is the content of my box. I'm just gonna read through it quickly, hopefully not take too much of time reading and describing it. And as per usual, we get 5 goodies and we get interesting ones. And on the February box we had a shimmer shadow, a cleanser, a mask, a hair mask, a blending brush, and a lipstick. So yeah, let's go. First one is, what did I grab first? No, let's just grab the shadow. Yeah, the LOC, LOC shadow. It's a liquid shimmer shadow. This is how it looks like.
Wow, it looks nice.
Yeah.
It's so shiny.
Zooming. It's not zooming. Okay. Zooming.
You have to zoom in.
Yeah. It's not clear.
But if you...
Oh, never mind.
If you were at our house, you would see properly. And
so it's a shimmer shadow. It's like this pretty color. I'm just gonna swash. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that.
Nice.
Look at that. It's very pretty.
So where do you put it? Like
eyeshadow.
Oh, eyeshadow.
Maybe if I just try it, yeah. So I'm an amateur.
Close your eyes.
Close my eyes?
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, let me do it.
Oh wait. Do you know where to put it?
Here.
Okay, go on then.
At the bottom.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
It's just this on top of the lid only.
So like there. So like there.
Come on, Carmen.
Okay.
No, look. Okay, look at my finger. Just there.
Okay. Close your eye.
I'm
just doing like a rainbow. didn't know what I'm doing.
That's fine, Carmen. It shouldn't be too much. Okay, I'll use my finger. No.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Right. Thank
Wait.
God for that.
This
But-
brush is so small.
I'm just gonna use my finger to blend.
Why? Why are you blending it? You're spoiling it.
No, I'm not spoiling. Because it could be like
Be.
it could be like too much in one area
But
and
you
then there. Can you see? Can you see?
can't see.
Can you see?
Just close your eyes a bit. Wink, 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 winkety wink.
Okay, back to my glasses. So yes, this lock shimmer,
It's
a
amazing.
shadow shimmer is brilliant. Is gorgeous. It's a really gorgeous color. What color did we even have? Well, it comes in two colors, in eclipse or moonlight. Right. Next one, we've got anatomicals. Anatomicals. No one gets flirty with the dirty. Pick me up body cleanser. So yes, it's a body cleanser. Yeah, exciting. Yes.
What do you... Oh. Let me smell it.
It smells really clean.
Smells nice. I feel fresh. I can
Yeah,
already feel it on my
like fresh
skin.
and clean.
I can already feel it on my skin.
It's nice. That's all I could say. It's nice. I don't know how to describe smell, but it's nice. It's nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next
And
we have the Coco and Eve.
Coco and Eve. It's a hair mask.
Hair mask?
Yes.
Why do you have a hair mask?
Oh, like air conditioner. You know when you do after shampoo, there's a product that you put on your hair.
Oh, I thought it
And
was
it
like...
moisturizes your hair, gives a lot of body and strength.
I thought it was this, so this mask that you put on your hair inside this bottle.
Yeah, that's what it is.
So it's like cream.
Yes, it is a
I
cream.
thought it was like a wig.
No, not.
Like, you know, when you're holding your hair, like that black thing to keep it. Those like, what do you call it, nets.
No.
And then you just shove it in.
Nah. Well, you use the net if you want to
Then they push it.
keep it together. You use the net or a shower cap. Right, Coco and Eve. It's a super nourishing coconut and fig hair mask. I can tell you already that it's gonna smell nice because I love the smell of fig. I like the smell of fig and coconut. Oh, right. Let's just break the seal.
Yeah. But you'll use it.
Yeah, I'll just break the seal just so that I can smell it.
Smell.
It's heaven.
Oh, so nice. Oh, so nice. I do it like a... I think it feels like my teacher, my teacher's assistant called Miss Robinson.
Oh, you don't drop names, Carmen.
Yeah, it feels like it smells like
yeah,
her.
that means
I
that
think
it smells really, really nice.
I think she uses that.
Are you?
That
Yes.
means I know one of her little secret makeups.
But maybe yes. Okay, the next one is a Luxie brush. It's a blending brush.
Is
I
it
should have
soft?
used that to just blend on top of my eye there.
Is it soft?
Yeah, it is soft. Look, let me just blend what I've just put. Oh,
It's not
this.
blending.
Oh my God, this thing. What is it called? The shadow dries and it's matte. It does not come out. Oh my God, look at this.
So
It's completely dry. Like it does not go anywhere. Just look at that.
wait,
It's gone. Like gone there. Bam. Not moving. Look.
wow,
Oh my God. This is good.
that's you
Yes.
can just wear it.
That means that you can wear it the
party.
whole day.
You can wear it for the whole night and day.
Yeah.
Party with it. And then you just use this thingy, special thing to wipe it off.
Yes. Wow. Okay.
That's so
For the
cute.
eyeshadow, you can use that on the lid. You can use that in the crease. You can use that at the corner of your eyes, just to perfect your look. Just like any blender, they're good. I mean, I'm a makeup amateur, so I'm not a professional. So I do makeup for me and what suits me. And I don't know how to play with colors. Maybe one day I should just sit down and just play with colors and see what it looks like on my face.
Or what if I did your makeup?
Okay, yeah, that'll be fun. Yes. I'm not gonna argue. Maybe I'll let you do my makeup and we'll see. Right, let's go on to
Last but
the
not
next.
least.
Exactly. Last but not least, the lipstick.
Nabila.
Just appreciate the
Cosmetics.
packaging. Oh, my camera doesn't focus. It's so blurred.
Blur.
Come on, focus.
Stay still.
It's focusing on you.
Bend down.
Oh no. Oh, it just doesn't want to.
Yeah, put it on me. Put it on me. Then it focuses on me.
There.
Then
Oh,
it-
excuse my nails because they're rubbish.
Yeah.
But it's called Nabla. Nabla, and it's
Nabila. I just say Nabila.
Nabla. Let's say go for Nabla Cosmetics, and it's Diva Crime, and it's a matte lipstick.
Matte.
Right, let's just open it. I'm gonna try it now. I always like all the samples that they send me. All the beauty samples like lipsticks, blushes,
Look at that
eyeshadows.
lid. It's
Just-
so nice.
I know. Just look at that. Look at the
it's so
red.
nice. Oh, it's so relaxing.
Okay, let's try. Oh my god.
Wait, let me see. Let me see.
It's creamy.
Is it?
When you apply, it's creamy.
What if it stays there?
It will stay there because it says it's a matte lipstick.
But
So
it's
I
so-
expect it to be as matte as this, like dry and then become like this and not move.
You could
Just-
wear this at the
It's so
at a party.
nice.
Yeah.
Wow, just
And the lid, it
Enjoy
feels
the
like
lids.
it's so expensive, but it's actually really cheap.
yeah.
Probably. It's just.
No, it's not cheap. We'll find out in a minute. But it's a very, very beautiful lipstick. Just enjoy it.
People think they're wash.
Yes, that's it. Oh, my teeth are white. Oh, it's the lipstick. Right. Okay, let's go through run the price for all those products. This here, this bombshell lipstick is £11.90.
Wow.
This blender, £11. This hair mask is £9. This is £4.
That's so cheap.
Yeah, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, the LOC. £8. And this is also a full size.
What about this one?
What
And
else?
this one.
And it's Birchbox exclusive. Birchbox exclusive, full size, people. What else? This one is also full size
good, that's-
and it's Birchbox exclusive. And this one too, full size, Birchbox exclusive.